Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again for Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2017 Dodge Charger. This is the SXT model, although it may look like a Hemi. It's got 20-inch wheels and tires, tall red in color. Believe it or not, this has the V6. Come on, you got to see this car. Folks, this car only has 16,583 miles on it. This is brand new in the wrapper, cloth interior, power driver seat, including lumbar for your back, Bluetooth for your cell phone, a backup camera with the 8.4 screen, power windows, power door locks, tilt and cruise. This is a one-owner car, has a clean Carfax. It will be a certified vehicle, has Alpine speakers. It's got 20-inch wheels and tires, four-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. Folks, this car even has a rear spoiler on the back and dual exhaust. This is a car that you can even take to the track. Even with a 6-cylinder, 305 horsepower, you're not going to find this car. But at Firkins, you got to call me. Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. Find it at Firkins.